In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a job or position from your LinkedIn profile. Whether you're updating your LinkedIn to reflect a career change, clean up your profile, or simply want to remove outdated positions, this step-by-step guide will show you how to do it efficiently and quickly. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred browser and head over to linkedin.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign into your account using your credentials. If you've forgotten your details, LinkedIn has options to help you recover them, so be sure to use those if necessary. After you've successfully signed in, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to accessing and editing your public professional identity. Next, from the drop-down menu that appears, click on View Profile. This will take you directly to your profile page, where all your current positions, education, and other professional details are displayed. On your profile page, begin by scrolling down until you reach the Experience section. It's typically nestled below your headline and summary. Here, you'll be able to see a list of all your current and past positions. Now you want to identify the specific job or position that you wish to delete. Once you've found it, look for a small pencil icon, usually placed at the top right corner of that particular position entry. Clicking this will allow you to edit the details of the job. After selecting the pencil icon, a new editing window will pop up, presenting the details of the job you clicked on. Again, look for another pencil icon situated next to this job entry. Click it and you'll see a list of options regarding this experience. Within this list, find and click the option that says Delete Experience. LinkedIn will typically prompt you with a pop-up asking you to confirm your decision. This serves as a safeguard to ensure you don't remove important information by mistake. Be sure you've selected the right job before confirming. Once you confirm, LinkedIn will remove that particular entry from your profile. And there you go. With these steps, you've successfully deleted a job or position from your LinkedIn profile. This process can be repeated for any other positions or experiences you wish to remove. Keeping your LinkedIn profile updated and accurate is crucial for professional credibility and networking. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more LinkedIn tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.